Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra might finally bring a battery upgrade. Something fans have been asking forever since rumors suggested Samsung wouldn't touch the battery capacity this year. But now a new report claims the S26 Ultra will indeed get a boost, even if it's a small one. According to a well-known Chinese tipster, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 200 mAh battery. That's only about a 4% over the 5000 mAh battery in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but it's still an upgrade. And while 200 mAh doesn't sound like much, the real improvement might come from the combination of a more efficient display and Samsung's next generation chipset. When hardware becomes more power efficient, even a slight battery bump can translate into noticeably longer battery life. But the capacity isn't the only part of the story. The S26 Ultra is also expected to bring a long-awaited improvement in charging speed. Reports say the phone might support 60W fast wired charging, a good step up from the 45W charging on the S25 Ultra. For Samsung, which has been relatively conservative with charging speeds, 60W would be a meaningful upgrade. Wireless charging might get better too. The leaks mention 25W fast wireless charging, possibly using the newer Q2.2 standard. What's even more interesting is the rumor that Samsung may add built-in magnets to help align the phone on wireless chargers more accurately, similar to Apple's MagSafe approach, but without requiring a special magnetic case. If all these upgrades turn out to be true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could finally be a Samsung flagship that charges from 0 to 100% in under an hour, whether you're using wired or wireless charging. Combine that with a slightly bigger battery and improved efficiency, and you're looking at a device that should last longer and recharge faster than its predecessor. However, even with these improvements, Samsung is still far behind what some Chinese manufacturers are doing with next-generation battery tech. Brands like Oppo, OnePlus, Xiaomi, and iQOO are already using silicon-carbon batteries, which can pack significantly more capacity into the same size. As a result, many of their flagship phones now come with massive battery sizes that make Samsung's 5200 mAh look small in comparison. Here are a few examples. EO up to 7,270,000 mAh, OnePlus 15 700 Dopiton Oppo Find 9 Pro 7,500 mAh, Realme GT8 Pro 7,000 mAh, EVO is 300 Pro A, Xiaomi 17 Pro Max 7,500 mAh. With numbers like these, it's clear that some competitors are pushing battery capacity much further than Samsung right now. But there's also another side to the story. These higher capacity batteries often come with trade-offs, like more heat or shorter overall lifespan. Samsung tends to prioritize stability and long-term reliability, which may be why it's been slower to adopt silicon-carbon batteries. Still, seeing a modest upgrade in the S26 Ultra is a good sign that Samsung is at least moving in the right direction. The company seems focused on balancing battery life, charging speed, and overall device safety, and for many users, that's more important than chasing the biggest battery numbers. So what does this mean for the average buyer? If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S26 Ultra should offer slightly longer battery life, much faster wired charging, improved wireless charging, better efficiency across the board. It's not a dramatic leap, but it's a meaningful refinement. And with Samsung aiming to make its next flagship more competitive without compromising safety, the S26 Ultra could feel like a more polished and well-rounded upgrade than expected.